What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is the 2006 Toyota Camry, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. Simple instructions. We're gonna take our panel removal tool. We're gonna come right here, pop, because there's a clip right there, and there's not another clip until you come over here to this side. But I'm gonna put it in. Pop, clip right there. Alright, pull that out, pull it down. You don't actually have to disconnect that because it gets out of the way very lovely. Then we have some 10 mils. Gonna change my bit around real quick. Right there we have 2 in the front. Boom, and then we got 1 on that side, 1 on this side. Alright, so now we got them out. Take this whole thing. First, you got clips on each side, but the whole thing gonna come out. Like so. Then when it comes out, you want to take off this harness. Boom. Taking all the harnesses and antennas and all that good stuff. Alright, y'all, and just like that, we have that radio out. Now, if you look right here, we got these little tabs. We're gonna lift, we're gonna lift up on these tabs with some type of flat profile. It could be a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna bend those up just a little bit, and then once we do that, it's gonna help us get this radio actually out of the little cavity. See that? So we got those out. All right, slide that one up, and now we have our factory radio out of this piece. This will end up going back in. Our aftermarket radio is going to go in first off for sure. Let's just let you know that you do need to separate those two. Next, the dash kit is right here. I already have it put on. Really simple. There's only 3 pieces. You have the right piece just goes into that little slot, connects. Same thing with the left. You want to slide that onto your radio. 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left, and we're golden. Alright, so after we actually put our dash kit on that, we want to make sure that we wire our harness up real good. Now, you guys know I like to keep these videos short and sweet and straight to the point, so I actually do not show you how to wire up a radio, but I do have a video on how to wire up a radio, and it is in that corner. So just like I say in every video, please hit those cards in the corner. It's going to show you a whole bunch of videos. I have some how-to playlists, how to wire up a radio, how to splice into a wire, backup camera installs, just different how-tos on how to install the stuff yourself, and just hit those cards in those corners. Other than that, all the links will be in the description for this vehicle, the radio, the wire harness, all that good stuff. Other than that, I'm gonna run this Bluetooth wire, and I'm gonna show you how to actually put this in and make it look like you never took it off. All right, guys, so now that we've got the harness all tied up nice and neat. By the way, I do like the way that my harnesses look. I'm just saying, they look clean, look like somebody cared about it. Either way, let's go ahead and plug up this and put it back in. So I like to go ahead and put my radio in first, especially since I can get to my 10 mils because I have this panel off. And then what I do is I'll stick my trim piece right here. I'll stick it on first. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, like I said earlier, but I will stick it on. That way you see that it's flush with how it's supposed to be from the factory, and then it puts my radio in place like how it's supposed to be. Now I can go in and take my 10 mils and just screw them holes in here. Alright, y'all, so that's about it, man. That's what it looks like when it's put together, like we never took that boy off, and that's how it's supposed to be, baby. If you guys liked anything about this video, found any type of value, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Hit all the buttons, write all the comments. Every button that you can hit on the channel, go ahead and hit it. Don't forget, all the links are in the description. The cards are in the corner to the links to the videos. And yeah, this is your boy JP signing out, man. I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you for subscribing and watching, and I'm hoping that I'm bringing value to your guys' install life. Until the next time, it's your boy JP signing out.